How are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. So, all are enjoying your online classes and you are doing a practice for writing? Okay. So, today we are going to repeat all the topic of previous week. So, ready all of you? Start with me. First of all, we learn stationary things. What we learn? Stationary things. Teacher told you about the stationary thing. Which are the stationary things? Pencil, eraser, scale, sharpener and pen. These things already teacher showed to you and tell you about these things. So, you see this video and learn the name of stationary things. Okay, now we will move to next topic. Okay, what is this? Which akshan? Re. Re say Rishi. री से ऋषि, री से ऋषि ज्ञानी कहलाते, इनके हम सब शीश नवाते. ओके, री से ऋषि ज्ञानी कहलाते, इनके हम शीश नवाते. आपको टीचर ने री से ऋषि सिखाया है तो आपको ये पढ़ना है अपने वर्ण ज्ञान की किताब से और वो पोयम भी आपको लर्न करनी है, याद करना है. ठीक है बच्चों, अब हम आगे देखते हैं. इन इंग्लिश टीचर टॉट यू रीड एंड राइट वी फॉर वेस. Okay, V for vase. Which letter teacher taught you? V for vase. Today again we will see how to write V for vase. Okay, see here from red to blue dots are given. You have to write slanting line and one more slanting line. Red to blue slanting line, then blue to red slanting line. One more time, see, slanting line, slanting line. Okay, now we will see how to write in our notebook. Open your English new format notebook. Okay, here tell to mama to make like this format. In this notebook, tell to mama to give the dot and how you will write. See, red to blue slanting line, again blue to red slanting line. First we will come down, then up, down, up, down, up. Okay students, you have to write with the help of this dot. Okay, you should complete this page with the help of this dot. Like this, V for vase. We will say, we will read and write. V for vase. Slanting line, V for vase. How we will write? Down, up. First we will go down, then we will go up. We will make V for vase. Okay. Okay, now in maths, teacher taught you trace the number, then match. We will see which numbers here given. Which number? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we will trace. How we will trace? 6 like this. 6, 7, 8, standing line and curve 9, then 1, 0, 10. Now we will see where is this same number here also given. We will search it and match it. Which number first? 6. 6. This is number 6? No. This is number 6? No. Here. So we will make like this slanting line. In this way, we will do next number 7. Where is number 7? Here. In this way, next number 8. Then number 9. Number 10. Okay students, this matching you can do in your activity world 1A book, page number 110. 11. Here same pattern is given. You have to do matching. Trace the number and then match. Okay? You have to do with yourself. Understood, students? Now again in English teacher taught you read and write M for moon. Okay? Read and write M for moon. M for moon. M for moon. We will see how we can write M for moon. Standing line, standing line, slanting line, slanting line. In this way we will make M for moon. Again I will show you how we will write easy way. Standing line, red to blue, slanting line, down, up, down. Okay, one more time. Standing line, down, up, down. Okay, students, in this way we will write M for moon. Now we will see how we will write in notebook. Open your new format 4-line notebook. Here tell to mama to make the pattern M for moon. In this way, read and write M for moon. How we are going to write M for moon? See here. Standing line, down, up, down. You should join this blue line. M for moon. M for moon. You should write in these 3 lines only. Okay? Don't move to another 4 line. M for moon. M for moon. You will complete with the help of the dots. Okay? With the help of dots you have to complete. Okay, students? M for moon. In this way, you will complete your M for moon full page. Okay? In this way, all topics teacher taught you and you do practice at home and learn it. See the video again and again. Till then, bye-bye.